What we've got here, 4K, 30 frames per second. Oh, look at the mess, guys. But just a quick hello. And to say, sometimes I think this place is starting to look like Don Toretto's place. Need for Speed, don't you think? Right. It's like the place is always full of redheads. Which is a good thing. I like redheads. Here's my poor old beast. It's when my channel was still called YouTube Home Mechanics. That was a while ago. This girl is, well, it's a boy actually, this one. This boy's sitting here because, not because the engine's blown or nothing. A camshaft and drivetrain is just way too much for the stupid little timing chain these things have on them. So I don't want to risk driving it and then shoving a piston, a valve through a piston. So I'm going to rebuild an engine for it anyway. So I can sit there. And here's another one. And another one. Place is full of surprises. Here's a Jeep. There's a BRZ. Let me climb through them all. My son's Mustang. Like I said, it's really looking like Don Toretto's place. But it's Rick's place. It's my place. And I love my place. See? You drive in here and you would think this is Don Toretto's place here in Australia. Not much of a house, but plenty of cars. Yeah. Right? I'm starting to quite like this new camera. It seems to hold my shaking pretty steady. So I keep being tempted to clean up a bit. And I take a little wider angle shot. I don't know, it's not much of a shed, but I love it in here. It's peaceful, it's calming, and we'll probably end up putting the door there. As long as my wife agrees, we can pour an even bigger concrete slab out the back. I think our property will be like 90% concrete. I still have to convince her. I will still keep that door, but it means that the hoist will go parallel with the shed, because I'm going to lift the roof up 1/2 meter, right? So we'll instead of these being on an angle, which is okay, it gave me a bit of extra room over time, but it's just a pain in the butt. It'd be better if we could drive like around here, you know, remove some of my wife's orchard and then put a door there. Doesn't have to be huge, but just enough so he can come through there and turn around. So we'll see what she says. Not my calamansi trees. Yeah, they'll have to be moved. Better while they're small, I guess. Okay. This bye-bye from Rick Toretto's Rick Toretto's place. The Jeep place. I don't know. I said to people, let's change gas heads, right, to something else. But people seem to like gas heads. Someone said rev heads, but you know, that's implied, isn't it? Gas heads, rev heads. So anyway, looking forward to the warm weather warming up, hurting less, and hope to see my pain clinic soon and ask them to change my pain medication. The last 2 weeks have been unimaginably painful. What can I say? I need an operation, but hey, time will tell. Anyway, off to say goodbye now from Rick's place. Oh, look what he did. Look what he did. Look what he did. He's gone too fast. And we're going to improve the power, and he's already doing that. Hey? Not bad looking, really. All these cars here, I like it. Anyway, I'll see you later from the Fast and Furious homestead in Australia.